nothing. If you ask, see, everyone has his own style of working, and all are good workers only, and all are good ministers only. No, they'll work. If I am playing test match, they'll play one day match. So don't worry on that. The all ministers are united under the leadership of Chief Minister. Will work hard for the people of Karnataka and people of India, and we'll set every section of society will appreciate our work, and our Congress government will get its the value from the people. BJP's duty only is to criticize. If I have to live, I should have oxygen. No. If BJP have to survive, they have to criticize. No. Why give importance for that? They're doing their duty. People are watching it. People will support Congress, will bless Congress, and get back power back to Congress. We are not bothered what BJP is doing. We are bothered what we are doing. That's for the public. And we seek the support of the BJP and opposition party to good work to the society.